Good morning, class. I am Teacher Micah. I am your teacher for today. So before we start our class, who wants to lead the prayer? Amen. So who is the absent for today? No absent, so very good. So before we start our class, we have the classroom rules that you are expected to learn. So our classroom rules is math. M stand for make it to class on time and prepared to do work. A. Ask for permission to speak by first raising your hand. T. Talk respectfully to your teacher and your peers. H. Hand in your best work by checking it twice for mistake. So, who can remember our past lesson? Yes, Ms. Susina? Very good. So, before we start our day, we have a game. So, who wants a game? So, our game is bingo. Who know how to play bingo? So, are you ready? So, I have here a bingo card. And I will distribute it one by one. We will play with a quiz. I have an addition problem. And the answer of the problem will be the number that you will put X. The first person who got bingo will be the winner. Do you understand, children? So who wants another game? So our next game is counting of friends. So I will ask two representative or two students to come here in front. So I have here a small object. You need to combine the object of student 1 and student 2 and give me the equal of the object. So student 1 had 3 ball pen and student 2 has 2 ball pen. So how many ball pen they got? Correct, they have 5 ball pen. So what did you do to our game? Correct, we just group it or added it. So before we start, I have here a flashcard. So the plus means add or combine. Equal means is the same as or the total. So our topic for today is introduction to addition or single digit. Start our class. This is the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Identify the plus sign and equal sign. B. Solve simple addition problems, sum up to 10 or 20. C. Apply addition to real life situation. Addition. Addition means finding the total number. When you put two or more groups together, we use the plus sign to show we are adding and the equal sign to show the sum. A real life problem. So direction. I will read the real life problem and the first person who raises their hand will be the one to answer, and once he or she answers correctly, will get a prize. Maria has 2 apples, and her friend gives her 3 more. How many apples does Maria have now? Who wants to answer? Yes, Miss Gabuya? Very good. The next problem is, I have 2 stars, and your classmate give me 7 stars. How many stars do I have? Yes? Very good. Do you have any question about our topic today, class? Okay, so you don't have question, let's have quiz. So it's quiz time. Since you now have full knowledge, get your ball pen and 1/2 sheet of paper and answer the question below. Are you done? Very good. So assignment. For your assignment, find 3 things at home you can add together. Example, 2 socks plus 1 sock. And tell someone the total. Okay, goodbye class.